Now, the new business credit cards are being offered because of some changes in the laws of the last couple of years, and they're putting restrictions on credit card companies regarding interest rates and fees that they can impose on you. Frank Coxwell from Coxwell and Associates joining us this morning with some more information on these new rules. And Frank, you were telling me that this is a way for the credit card companies to kind of get around restrictions, right?
Right. The new credit card laws restricted the most profitable and predatory practices that the credit card companies were doing. But those new laws do not apply to business credit cards. So it allows them to go back to the old ways they were doing and it's a loophole in the new law.
Now talk about some of the changes that were made so folks understand exactly what was going on, because it's a kind of a complicated process if you're not a business savvy person.
It really is complicated. The new law limits the amount of interest rate hikes on personal credit cards. It limited the double billing cycles. It limited them offering credit cards to teenagers and college students. It extended gift cards for 5 years. So things that really help consumers. But none of these rules apply to business cards. And credit card companies are now offering business cards to people who don't have a business or people that are retired, because these new laws, these new cards, business cards, allow them to go back to the old predatory practices that they were doing.
Now tell folks how you can get your hands on a business card. How does this happen? Because if I don't own a business, I don't own one. So how am I able to get my hands onto a business credit card?
They send it to you in the mail, just like
that simple?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, is that so? That's still legal, though.
Oh yeah, yeah. And most people are excited to get one, even if they don't have a business. You know, think, oh, well, they, you know,
free money, right?
Yeah,
that's what initially. That's how I got caught up in college. Free money.
And I qualify for a business card. Wow! But they don't realize that this allows them to go back to the predatory practices that they were doing before, that the new law limits on the personal credit cards.
Now, tell folks if they get caught up in this, is there a way to get out without damaging your credit?
Well, you know, you got to pay the card. I mean, that's now under the new law, the personal credit cards. If you cancel the card, you have up to 5 years to pay the card back. So it extended the time that you have to pay the card. But like I said, none of these laws apply to the new business cards.
Now, how does this affect you if you file for bankruptcy or if you have some other financial problems?
Well, of course, the bankruptcy would wipe out all the credit cards anyway, so it wouldn't be an issue for you at that point.
Okay, now if you want to file for bankruptcy, is that something that you suggest if you can't pay your bills, or you want to just keep trying?
Well, you should probably talk to a bankruptcy lawyer and at least get the information you need about what bankruptcy can do for you and what it can't do for you, and then it'll give you the information you need to make up your own mind about what suits you the best.
And what warnings do you have for people that get these credit cards in the mail?
Try to get them paid off as quick as possible, or transfer the balance over to a personal credit card. You can use a personal credit card for personal expenses or business expenses. But if you get a business card, whether you use it for business or personal, the new laws and protections don't apply.
All right, Frank. And tell folks what your office can do for them.
Well, we can help you with some of your financial problems. We help people with their financial problems and help them get a fresh start and build personal wealth.
All right, we thank you so much. Where can I get more information about your office?
You can call me at 948-4450 or visit my website at www.coxwelllaw.com.
All right, we appreciate it so much. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you very much.
All right. We are